way of reinforcing your knowledge of chords is to, of course, play them as triads, playing all the notes at the same time. And again, the fingering is exactly the same as we did for the C major scale. We've got root position, this time starting on G with our 3 notes, G, B, D, first inversion, and second inversion, and back to the root. Second inversion, first inversion, and root. And you'll notice that we're using the same fingers that we used for our arpeggio pattern. Playing that again. And again, you could take it up to 2 octaves, 3, 4, whatever, because the notes and the pattern is exactly the same. Left hand, there are the notes, and there are the fingers. And again, same fingering as for our pattern, root position, first inversion, second inversion, back to the root. And if you wanted to do 2 hands together, you can. And if you want to take it further up the piano, go right ahead.